Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a gift card in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app and log into your account. Once you are in, tap the three dots icon at the bottom right corner to open the menu. Next, look for the gift cards option in the menu. This is where you can redeem your Roblox gift card. Tap on the redeem card option and it will take you to a page where you can enter the code from your gift card. Now, take your gift card and scratch off the silver coating to reveal the PIN code. Enter the PIN code in the box provided on the page, then tap the redeem button. If the code is valid, your Roblox account will be credited with the amount of Robux the gift card is worth. Once the redemption is complete, you will receive a confirmation message and your funds will be added to your account immediately, ready for you to use. And that's it. Now you know how to add a gift card in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.